How to fix Instagram app not opening. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to troubleshoot Instagram app not opening. So after you open your app, let's say your Instagram app is not opening for you. So whenever it open, it just close without just closing. It will just close by itself. So in this video, I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, after you open your phone, now go to your Play Store, App Store, and update your Instagram app. So I'm using Android phone. After I come to my Play Store, I'll just tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. If you search for Instagram, tap on the Instagram icon like this. So now if there is update on your Instagram app, it will give you this update button like this. So now tap on this update button to update your Instagram. After you update your Instagram, now go and remove the Instagram app from the minimize section and go and open it again like this one. So if you open it again, now if you are lucky, it will open it for you and your problem is solved. But if you open it, you still have same problem that your Instagram app is not opening. All you have to do now, go back and long press your hand on the Instagram app like this. Go and uninstall the Instagram app. If you uninstall the Instagram app, then you can go to your Play Store, App Store, and install it again. After you install the Instagram app again, go and sign up using your go and log in using your Instagram login details and go and open it. So I'm sure if you try one of these two methods, it will work for you. That's it, guys, on how to fix this problem. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.